Hey everyone, welcome back to Sedimental Views. Today I went to the Yolo Bypass Nature Reserve and saw some pretty cool sights there. Hope you all enjoy. So as usual, I start out by putting a white base coat on and making the edges as sharp and defined as possible. Once the base coat is dry, I'll start adding in the sky, making it a vibrant blue at the top and slowly fading it into white as I go down. Once I finish the sky, I'll add the river in to help me establish where my horizon line is. Around the river, I'll start adding in the grass, making it bold at the bottom and gradually fading it as it reaches the horizon line. Next, I'll start adding in the trees on the bank of the river, starting with the small ones in the back and making bigger ones towards the front. Then I'll start adding in the leaves on the trees. Since it's fall, I made some of them a nice autumn orange, and I made sure that it reflects in the river below. How dark the wood was against the orange and the green, so I went back and replaced it with a softer, lighter brown that I think complemented it much better. I also thought it looked a little too busy at the top and didn't like how not much of the sky was showing through, so I ended up going back and taking some of that out and making the trees just a little bit smaller in the front. As usual, in the end, I finished it off by outlining the whole scenery in a thin black border. Depending on where the light source was in the scenery, I added white next to the black to make it pop a bit more, and extended the lines out to make it look more like a crack in the rock. Thank you all for watching. If you like what you saw, please like, share, and subscribe, and hope to see you all next time.